What if the secret to healthy, resilient skin isn't a single miracle ingredient, but a complex system perfected by nature? Welcome to the foundation of healthy skin, your lipid barrier. Think of your skin's outermost layer like a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and the lipid barrier is the mortar holding them together. Composed of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, this mortar locks in moisture and shields you from environmental aggressors. When this barrier is compromised by harsh cleansers or UV damage, the result is dryness, sensitivity, and premature aging. But nature provides the perfect repair kit. Sunflower seed oil is a linoleic acid powerhouse, directly replenishing your skin's ceramides. Jojoba oil is a biomimetic wonder that closely mimics your own natural sebum. And avocado oil provides a rich, nourishing blend of vitamins and antioxidants. But the true magic happens when these oils are blended. A synergistic formulation provides the optimal ratio of fatty acids plus powerful bioactive compounds like phytosterols and polyphenols to stabilize and protect your skin. Ready to rebuild your lipid barrier? Click the link in the description for the full guide, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed skincare.